Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import Obsidian nodes. So here we have again two methods which I will show you. So I will show you the fastest way, and then basically for other node apps we will use plugin. So the first method is the fastest way, which is basically here on the left side you have these nodes. In every folder you have separate nodes and so on, as you can see right here. Okay, so if I want to put in here, for example, into the template, so in this file here, what I'm going to do is select this one, right click on it, and then show in System Explorer, just like that. And as you can see now, this file is over here. I will open up this one, and now what I can do is basically copy, if I have it here, to this file, and I will get the file right into this folder, and I will see it right over here. Okay, now the second method is, which I show you already in previous videos also, we will install plugin. So we go here to the bottom left corner, gear icon, and then community plugins, then to browse, and we will type in importer, just like that. It's by Obsidian, so the most downloads 1 million, as you can see here. Install this one, then enable it, and now what we can do is we will open up command palette, so Ctrl P. On the Mac you will use CMD P and type in importer. As you can see, it suggests you already, so select this one, and from here you can select which one you want to import. As you can see, you have bunch of options, which is pretty cool. If you have, let's say, CSV file, choose a file then, and let's find him right over here. Open output folder CSV, okay, and import. As you can see now, note the title, we can name it here, and so on, like that. Continue, and we will see what will happen. It's a big file, so we will need to wait a few moments here. Okay, done. And as you can see it, we have it now here in this folder. And yeah, it's basically working, and it's right over here. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the